Down. Stop. Stop.
Oh shit.
Stop. Ow! Ho?
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow? Ben.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver speed? Oh!
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome.
Can't wait. Just don't even hear the house, right?
Tiger, go in. Going. Oh.
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door.
And how to speak my dog's language.
Bentley! Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley. Así funciona. Every time you lick. What? No! Oh my God!
So hot and oh.
Hey. What are you doing?
And your pet potato's legs are too short, so he has to bunny hop down the steps.
Nunggu mama.
What the heck?
Hey, look at the boot! Ah!
You gotta be kidding me! How did he do it?
Yeah, that's the.
I realized I didn't have dog food.
You know, it makes me really sad that people hate on others for using certain voices with their dogs. Because the thing is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him. And I start talking like this.
Get your paw off the table. Get your paw. Get your paw off the table. Baby.
No! Don't you hit me. You're such a baby.
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Hey, can you guys sit?
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god. So this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
Scooby. No.
I want waffle fries.
Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids.
Regular day, driving around with
My box full of puppies!
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Bailey, are you sad? No?
He's sitting, standing, and laying down all at the same time.
Incoming.
Rooney.
Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Dog came out of nowhere.
Hello.
Estoy loco. La, 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 la.